Hello guys, this is Derek here, and today I'm going to show you how to take apart your Xbox if you want to mod your Xbox in any way possible. I'm not going to take it completely apart because that's not necessary for the mods, but if you have a ridiculous mod that makes it like that you have to take the Xbox completely apart, look at another video how to do that. Right, what you're going to need is a drill, not Phillips head, one of these. It has like the octagon shape. It's just get this thing off. And if you want to put it in a drill like this, then go ahead, but or if you want to do it manually, I don't care. Right, next is to take off the faceplate. What you need to do is just lift up, put up your thumb in this place, put two fingers here and lift up, and it comes off easily just like that. Next you're going to need a couple of small tools like this right here, so it can fit through these little holes. Now what you want to do is that there's these little thongs right here, that like these. If you can find them in these holes, you can lift up your Xbox, your whatever these things are called, these little. And these, you can bend these pretty much because they really do not break at all, so it's hard to break one of these. And it's a good idea to have light doing this. See, it comes off just like that. Next is to flip it over upside down. Oh yeah, make sure you have your hard drive out, alright? These little holes right here, you want to make sure that you get these holes. Just feel around for them. If there's something blocking the way, then it's one of those thong thingies or whatever they're called. See? Easy. Now for the back. What you want to start off first, is with this side. See these three, like they have these little sockets right here. You want to get something in these. What you want to do is when you put it in there, you'll hear a clicking sound, which means that it's opening. Get the smallest tool available, put it in there. If I can fit it. Here's one. Maybe this isn't the biggest one I had, but let's try this one. Alrighty. Since it's going to be a pain in the butt, I'm going to go back to using the small one. Ow. Or you can start with this side, because that's what I'm doing first. That side's open. And now for this side. Oh, sorry it's taking me so long to do this. I'm trying as best as I can to get this done. Right. Now, just lift it up like that. We'll flip it over first, so you can get the side that opens up. Alright, and see these? If you don't want to waste your time trying to hurt yourself, just poke it through here, because it'll lift up, so you can take this apart. If you haven't removed the warranty seal, go ahead. If you don't want to mod your Xbox, it's alright, but I'm modding mine because I don't have a warranty no more, so I don't really care. I'll fix my own red ring. Well, that's whoops. Now this side's always difficult for me, so bear with me. Alright, now we got the cover off. I'm just kidding. And now for the drilling part. You can't take off this part unless you use the drill. Alright, now you get these screws right here. Whoops. Wrong way. One, and don't drill them in when you take it. It's all these steps reversed when you want to put it back together. Don't drill these screws in too tight, because then it won't work properly. Now, I never had that happen because I'm careful. I guess some other people did have problems with that, so. Now to take apart your Xbox fully, you want to take apart these screws right here, if you want to. These are the heat sink screws, but I think that's the part that you're not supposed to put in really, like, what's the word I'm looking for? Never mind. You get the point. Just don't screw them in too tight. And some of these screws are ridiculously small, so I suggest putting them in an area that you'll find them, or else if you don't have all the screws, you're kind of screwed to that. This is what I'll be doing when I get my blue LEDs. I'll be taking apart my Xbox. Huh. Don't know what this black stuff is all over it, but okay. Alright. Now you can take off the other part. Just flip it over like this. This is the part you'll want to flip over right now. Alright. And just lift it off. Take out this, pull it out a little bit so you don't destroy it. And there you go. Now, to take out this, what you're going to need to do is these two thingies, they go out. So what you want to do is, I don't know how to remove these. I don't know how to remove these. Ow. Oh, maybe I can't. Huh. Okay, going into part 2.